Hi, my name is Tom Kermeen. I live in Cloquet, Minnesota, and my wife and I own a 100-year-old home. And over the past few years, we've had a problem that's been progressively getting worse with our back porch entry. Every spring and winter, our back porch entry would shift, and our doors wouldn't close, and our sheetrock inside would crack. So we knew we had foundation issues. We contacted DBS Foundation Repair, and they assigned a project design specialist, James, who came out, met with us, took measurements, and identified the root cause of our problem. He then prepared a detailed estimate and scope of work to be done that they felt would correct our problem. We accepted DBS's proposal, and we were then put in touch with Kevin, their project foreman. He told us the date the work would start, came out, was very considerate. They drove 2 supporting piers on each side of our porch, put a support I-beam between the two, and using their system, were able to level and stabilize our porch. Our door's now shut, and our porch is totally stable. They were very considerate of our property and our flower gardens and our yard throughout the whole process, making sure that I knew what they were doing and why they were doing it. We couldn't be happier with what DBS did for us, and now we know we can sleep a lot easier that our problem has been corrected. If you've got any sort of foundation issue at all, it's worth your time to call DBS. We're sure glad we did.